Hey guys, we found this baby. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, you make me so happy. Now we are looking for the woods to make a grape stand, or where the grape could grow the vines like this. So we're not an expert about this. Actually, I'm hesitant how we could do it. But now I'm planning to get this. I'm planning to get this pieces of woods to make it like I'm imagining like a little roof, kind of, where the grapevines could um, hold and grow. Hey guys, good morning. As you can see, our faces looks like, you know, we look like tourists. So actually, we were trying to build a grape house. It's so hot. It's so hot outside. That's why we're wearing shades. We are tourists in our own home now.
That's right. Yeah, vacation. Yeah.
We just had our breakfast, and now we're ready to start the day by making our grape house. I'm sorry, we call it grape house. So this thing right here is also part of the this all this. So that 8 by 8, yeah, 8 by 8. Then imaginary. This is the post here, the other post here. Then we will put the net across. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, good.
Okay, let's do it. Ready, guys. So I have by the way, I have successfully coated this wood with oil, 4 of them. So yeah, that's ready to use. And now I'll go ahead and coat oil for this wood. It's my task to oil coat the wood, and then his task to build it, and then I'll be the assistant later to hold this, hold that. So but for now, this is my task to oil coat these woods so that it will last longer, rain or shine. Yeah, I'm just setting it like a pro. So
Do this way.
no, do it my way. I'm the one who's doing it, so it's gonna be my way. Gee, I'm doing it my way. Excuse you, mister. La 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 la. Okay, so it's not matching. Let's push you a little bit. Okay, all right, that looks awesome. Now, and then the chair, push it a little backward so that's easy for me to access. And then yeah, isn't it pretty? Look, isn't it pretty, mister? So I'll go ahead and oil coat it. So here is my, oh, look at this mosquito died here. Oh my god, that's my equipment. And here's my oil, you guys. So all right, I go ahead and start coating it. See you later. How about you, sir? What you gonna do?
Support.
Okay, so that is your post support. Did you put sunscreen? Yeah, already. Okay. So it's gonna look like that tall. Oh, we're building a house for you. We're building a house for you, dear. Okay, so I should stop filming now, guys, and I'll go ahead and start my task. Guys, so our task is done. These pieces right here are completely oiled, so now let's go ahead and assist the hubs because he needs our help. What is it, babe? Hold the wood? Oh my god, it's so hot. But here? Okay. Alrighty, guys, that is a quick update for the Grape house. Ta-da! And the only missing here is the net. Net there, and here. And here, I guess. Looks like a patio already. Somebody is digging the ground because we will plant our grape today. Hello. We will plant you today. Alright, so yes. And then a quick update. This is gonna be the grape house, but then we have to install the net here. It's just that the oil, because we recoated oil here, so we have to wait until it gets dry completely. But now this is our net. We will install it here, there, from here to there, and we will plant a grape here so that the grape can crawl up until there. That's it. Go up. We'll see. What's it? Nothing. Hello. It's just a metal. Okay, go. It's just a metal. Okay, remove the soil. It's just a metal piece.
Okay. Woo! I told you underground is not a fire. Why are you there, man?
Okay,
Really?
put it, babe.
Little
Yeah.
island.
Ooh. Bigger than that, baby. A little bigger.
You gotta start with the
Oh.
really cheap.
So that's our decomposite container. So all the soil, those, and the trees that trees and grass that we trim from here all over, we will put it there so that in time it will process the soil and then we'll use it. Oh man, my okra. And then my eggplants, you can barely see it, but they're growing now. Awesomeness. And then my cherry tomatoes. Oh. Heavy, huh? What if it will just grow here? You know what I mean?
It's funny.
But we just leave it open though.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Mm,
typical.
that's true.
Using a moisture to process.
Mm. All right. Continue digging, sir, and then we'll plant the grape after that. Hmm.
Enough soil for this stuff, yay. Let me get something to pop with, okay?
Okay. It's so dark already. It's okay. So this is the finished product or the update of our grape house. Ta-da! Hello there, Mr. Grapes. You good?